Today I jumped into Midjourney to generate some cool images for a video, but I got this message in response. Due to extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. Please subscribe. After that, I started finding the best free alternatives of Midjourney, and finally I found it. Let's introduce Leonardo AI. This AI is giving a serious competition to Midjourney. If you don't have extra money, this is the perfect solution for you. In this video, I will show you how Leonardo AI is better than Midjourney and how you can earn money using this free AI tool. First, I will show you how to use Leonardo AI. First, go to App Leonardo AI. Then click on Login to Leonardo AI. Just sign in with your Google account. You can notice that it is a web app, which means you don't even need a Discord account, which is more convenient than Midjourney. Leonardo AI works on basic credit system. Leonardo gives you 150 credits that reload every 24 hours. In simple terms, you can generate 150 images per day, which is more than enough. Here on the home page, you can check out the works of other users, and notice that Leonardo creates super high-quality images. You can click on any image and see the prompt used to generate that image. One more interesting thing, you can remove the background by clicking here. Click No Background. Then you can download the image as a PNG without the background. To create your own image, click on AI Image Generation. Here you can see a field where you can write your prompt. Just below that, you can choose a model. You can also select Custom Model and check out the Community Model, which are the models created by users. Next, you can add a negative prompt, meaning what shouldn't be in your image. Further down, there are tabs for image generation and prompt generation. You definitely won't find it in Midjourney. This tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. Moving on to the main settings. On the left, you can choose the number of images you'll get from one prompt. Let's select 4. Next, Prompt Magic. This feature ensures better prompt adherence. If you enable it, you can also adjust Prompt Magic strength and high contrast. By default, V2 is selected. To select V3, you have to enable Alchemy. Now, what is Alchemy? Alchemy brings incredibly high-fidelity image generation and coherence to all existing platform models. After enabling Alchemy, V3 will be selected. In both, Prompt Magic strength is same. Raw mode, I recommend leaving raw mode off as it requires longer prompts to obtain good results. Next, you can boost the output resolution of Leonardo Alchemy using high resolution. Below that, you can adjust the dynamic range of your image using contrast boost. Further down, resonance is a scale which dictates how much details is in the image. Public images means now your images will be sent to community feed by default. You have to upgrade to paid plan to set your generation to private, which is not necessary in my opinion. Heading towards input dimensions. You can set the resolution of your image from here. After that, we can find the guidance scale. In this tab, you can adjust how closely the image corresponds to the prompt or how strongly your prompt is weighted, but it is disabled while using Alchemy. ControlNet allows you to influence your generations with input images, but ControlNet is currently not supported with Alchemy or Prompt Magic. If you are creating textures or patterns, I suggest turning on tiling. Below you can see image to image, where you upload an image you'd like to base another one on. It is also disabled while using Alchemy. Now this is how you can generate your images using Leonardo AI. I personally found Leonardo AI more convenient than Midjourney. Let me know your feedback in the comments about Leonardo AI. Now I will tell you how to earn money by this AI tool using Fiverr. If you don't know, Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can find jobs. Just go to fiverr.com. Now click on AI services. Next, click on AI Artist. Here you can see the work offered by people. You can also sell your services to generate AI images using Leonardo AI. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notifications of our newly uploaded videos. Thanks for watching.